Better news, all of our 4 visual dictionaries, our bestsellers that you can get at Neuland, are now available also as online collections. Now, an online collection is not just an ebook, it's a digital product with more features. So let's have a short walk through the online collection 2.0 respective to this book. You can get it in a bundle together with the others, or as a standalone product. And just like the book, it's in German and English, so let's just look for the English introduction. Here you come. You get some tips to get started right away, and you get a linked index, which means that you just tip on a word and you get directly on the page with the respective visuals. And you can also magnify the visuals in order to see the details and to copy them if you like. Now, what else is there? We have also some videos that we did of some selected images. So let's have a look at this one. When an image is a bit more sophisticated and complicated, sometimes people ask us to draw them for them to see which direction you have to take and which strokes you have to take, and also how to set the shadow. And that's what we did in this digital product, which doesn't work in a book, of course.